Well, good evening.
Good evening.
So, what's your name?
I'm Aisha Ghulam Mohiuddin Siddiqui.
And what may I call you?
You may address me as Aisha.
Alright, Aisha. So, may I see some identification proof? Alright. And what are you currently doing?
I'm currently pursuing Bachelor's in Political Science.
Alright. And where are you from?
I am from Vadodara itself.
We will be beginning with the part 1 section of the speaking test. Alright. So, how often is it that you exercise?
I used to exercise 6 days a week back when I was going to the gym. But now due to lockdown, I cannot do that anymore.
Okay. So, have you tried any other forms of exercise?
Yeah. I have tried watching YouTube videos and following them, and those were videos related to cardio and calisthenics.
Okay. And so, what form of exercise is beneficial to you?
Personally, for me, my aim with exercising is gaining muscle mass. So, weight training is the best form of exercise for me.
Alright. And what do you think attributes to forming a healthy lifestyle?
A healthy lifestyle is a balance between healthy food, exercise, as well as mental well-being.
Alright. And with this, we move on to the second part of the speaking test. Basically, you'll be given 1 minute to prepare for your answer. This is your cue card. And you may make notes as well if you wish to. So, your preparation time starts now. Okay, well, Aisha, your time is up. And so you can begin speaking now.
The biggest mistake I have made in my life was not wearing a helmet while riding a scooter. Now this incident is from when the Motor Vehicle Act was implemented across the country and the rules regarding motor safety were made more stringent. My father always believed that wearing a helmet reduces your risk of death in road accidents. One fine day, I had to run some errands, and due to my casual attitude and negligence, I did not wear my helmet, and I was sure that nothing was going to happen. Now, few weeks passed by, and a memo reaches our house, and it was received by my father. His first reaction was of shock, and he did not believe it that his daughters could do something like that. And later on, he was very upset with me because what I did was not just being careless towards the law, but it was also not taking care of my own personal safety. So from that day onwards, I swore that I will really follow all rules that are made for my well-being.
All right, well, so moving on to part 3 of the reading test, I will ask you a few follow-up questions relevant to the same topic. Well, so what is it that you think we can learn from our mistakes?
The main thing that we can learn from our mistake is to never make it again. And the second thing is we always know what not to do.
Okay, and if children tend to make mistakes, how do you think parents can deal with that?
Children are naive and they do make mistakes quite often. Parents should avoid punishing them like a troglodyte and take a friendly and understanding approach towards making them realize the mistake.
So, do you think in the very first place children often make mistakes?
Yes, they do. Yes, they do, because it's the part of the learning cycle of life, and they have to go through that.
All right. And is it possible for people to rectify their mistakes?
Mistakes can, in most scenarios, they cannot be rectified, but we can always follow them up with an apology and make self-improvements towards not committing the same mistake again.
All right, Aisha, thank you so much. We have completed the speaking test. Well, so this was a mock test conducted at her IELTS center in Vadodara, and the student was awarded with 8 bands as she almost spoke like a native speaker and used fair amount of vocabulary. Area of improvement: she could have used more accurate grammatical range, and at the same time she could have also avoided hesitation and self-correction. So for all those of you seeking to improve your performance in IELTS speaking, kindly contact us for one-to-one sessions with experienced faculties. Also like and subscribe our channel as we'll be posting more videos on IELTS speaking and communication skills.